Your left joystick, left or right, will control your bucket. Forward and backward is going to control the main boom, bringing it up or down. Your left joystick, left or right, will control the cabin. Forward or backward will either extend or retract your boom. Pressing this button in while moving it left or right will adjust the boom to your right or left. And then these sticks right here, your left track, forward, backward, right track, forward, backward. This is how you control your back blade, how to drop it or raise it. And this pedal right here is for your thumb.